everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to be taking the money out of my envelopes because I just paid some bills. So this is my expense binder. Let's go ahead and get started. So I have paid my rent for this month, and a part of mine and Jay's deal is that we also split the internet bills. So I'm going to go to my internet bill because I also sent it with my rent money. All right, now let's go back to Mini Cooper. They did transfer the money that I put in there, but it hasn't actually went through yet, so I'm gonna keep the money in there. For Progressive, I still haven't paid that, so that's getting paid out in March 2nd. I don't have to worry about that. Credit cards, I haven't paid anything on that. Nothing for Affirm or Self. We did go grocery shopping, so it actually came out to $112, which I only had $100 budgeted, so we kind of was close. For gas, I actually went over a little bit. Not by much, but just by $5 because I had $40 budgeted and it actually cost $45 to fill up my car. So I think whenever I go to rebudget everything for next payday, I'm probably going to just rebudget it for $45 instead. For household, I don't think we bought anything yet for household. And nothing for pets yet. All right, so that is my expenses. And the next thing that I'm going to be doing is the travel fund. So I got a $2 tip the other day. And I also have, let's see, I have 25, 30, 31, 32. So I have 32 cents. And this is real money. The other money that I usually put in my cash envelopes, that's prop money because I have everything in my high yield savings accounts. So that is it for the cash stuffing and everything. I also wanted to talk to you about my new website. It's called ryancallit.com. There you can actually download my free challenges that I have. I created them in Canva, and if you would like to go download them, you can. And they're always going to be free. My creations are always free, so you can download them at any time you want. I'm going to be adding a lot more as I go along. I'm learning HTML, so it's taking me a little bit of time. But if you do like my challenges and everything, if you'd like to donate, I have my CashApp in the description, and also it's going to be on my website. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys check out my website at ryancallit.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.